Hello guys, how are you all? I am Devayan and you are all watching the Laboratory Solution YouTube channel. First of all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing my new toolbox, which is from MINISO company, which I have purchased from Amazon. First of all, I am sorry that I'm not able to bring in new contents regularly because of some technical issues and some other reasons which I can't tell. So please regret these problems and keep watching my videos, and please keep supporting our YouTube channel for so that I can bring more new contents in my YouTube channel by giving likes and share and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It's a request to please watch these videos completely, and in future one vlog series type video will also come, and I will try to give some short video also. I hope that you will like those videos. Now I will try to open this iron box one screw with the help of this screwdriver. Please observe it carefully. Before using this screwdriver, first you will need to see which screw bit will correctly fit over that screw so that it will open it correctly. I know that this screw bit will correctly fit over that screw and it will open it correctly before without any slipping over that screw.